Hey, what is going on YouTube? HackerChip7 here with another tutorial. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the auto captions feature in CapCut. Now this is not a new feature, however, it is indeed a unique feature and I'll be giving you a demonstration of how to use this. So first things first, what you need to do is to launch CapCut and we need to create a new project. So let's create a project and import a video file in which we'd want to have auto captions for. So as you can see, I have my video loaded on the timeline here. So if I could click on play.
What's going on YouTube? It is your HackerChip7.
Okay, so as you can see, or as you can hear, the video has audio playing. So in order to add captions, what you simply need to do is to click on text. And as you can see, we have the option auto captions here. So let's click on auto caption. And then for this, you need to select the video language, which is English. Now they don't have many languages. However, they have the main languages. So you need to select the language and select continue. And let's give it some time to create the auto captions for this video. Okay, so the captions have been created. As you can see, we have the notification. So, and what I like about this is that you are able to edit each text that is being said. So if you have time on your hands, and you'd need to edit the text which is being said in the video, well, this is the perfect tool for you. So let's click on play.
What's going on YouTube?
So as you can see, right there I said, what's going on YouTube?
It is a
and it says it is a rocket ship row 7. So in order to change this, what you'd simply need to do is to click on it and click the pencil icon, and you could simply edit whatever is being said here. So it is your boy HackerChip7 and so on, and then you'd simply click on save. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys. So basically, you could go through this to ensure that all the captions match to what you're saying in your video. So that is how you'd use the auto caption feature in CapCut, which is a useful feature in order to make your videos more professional. So that is it for today's tutorial, guys. Hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. HackerChip7 out.